At the crash of continents, we find a confluence of cultures, melding belief systems that manifest in a transatlantic visual culture. I'm Hugh Leeman, and together, in this course, we will explore
the artwork and worldview of the pre-Columbian cultures of Latin America before exploring their profound transformation during colonization.
After the Caribbean sun sets, deep within the island caves, we find ancient American petroglyphs that tell the visual story of sculptures at the center of ceremonies capable of connecting our world to the celestial realm, while amidst the lush valleys of Mesoamerica, discover the connection between hummingbirds, poetry, and sacred songs. Gain a deeper understanding of the political and social forces that influenced a unique visual language unlike anything else in the world.
Prepare to be awed by the beauty and complexity of these artworks and the stories that they tell us.
Above the mist of the Andes Mountains, we experience a journey expanding our horizons through the heart of Latin America. As we witness the power of art as an act of resistance, a colonial force, and of cultural preservation, at times within the same artwork.
Join us on a journey through time as we explore the stories and traditions that have shaped the artwork of Latin America.